Introducing words with it and ip. Listen closely for the words of the day. Listen for it words that come your way. There once was a girl named Brit. On the floor she did sit. She opened a kit and found candles once lit. Next she bit a peach with a pit. Wait now, we are not done. Sound out these words one by one. K, it, kit. It, lit. It, pit. Warm up your eyes. It's time to read. Let's whisper these words with a steady speed. Listen again. There are more words to hear. Listen for the ip words that appear. There once was a boy named Pip who wanted chips with dip. The bag would not unzip, so he gave it a rip. Up they went past his lip. He finished with a refreshing sip. Don't worry, almost done. Sound out these words one by one. D, ip, dip. Ip, lip. Ip, rip. It's time to write. Don't get tricked. You'll spell both types of words, so carefully pick.
Grab a marker or something to write with.
Spell bit, bit. Check your work. B, I, T. Spell zip, zip. Check your work. Z, I, P. Spell sit, sit. Check your work. S, I, T. Spell sip, sip. Check your work. S, I, P. Great job!
Yay! Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.